What's up guys, it's your boy John back again here with another video. Today we're going to be installing something to bling up the engine bay. Now the engine bay does look great. Oh, it looks really good actually. Titanium inlet, PRL intake, carbon fiber. Now this is the stock engine cover and it doesn't look bad, but it's fake carbon fiber. So Extreme Online Store has this piece to fix that problem. Now it is a bolt-on piece, so it's not just held by clips. You have to unbolt it and then rebolt it, and it's just going to clean up the engine bay. I have some ideas too, whether I should give it a little two-tone, maybe like a red, keep that red theme going on. But for now, it looks so good the way it is. I'm just gonna unbolt it and rebolt it. Woohoo! That's looking good, boy! Wow, that looks good. I haven't even bolted in yet, but it just simplifies and just makes everything so cohesive. All right, that concludes it. That took like 5 minutes to install. Remove the old one, put the new one in. Now the fitment is really good. All the bolts line up. Let me show you that. See, everything is mounted on there good. And it's super solid. All the cutouts are perfect for the lines. No rubbing because this thing is not gonna move. Get a little wipe down. Oh, it's so nice. It really ties the engine bay together, which I'm a huge fan of. But yeah, if y'all were interested in buying something like this, I'll leave a link down below. EOS, it's very affordable, and it came here, well, they're based off of Hayward, California, so I got it shipped within 3 days. Like, I ordered it and I got it in like 3 days, so the shipping is super fast. It's not overseas or anything, and I guess because it came super fast. Everything looks so good. What can I do to this engine bay next? There are some other carbon fiber intakes and inlet tubes, which I like. The only problem I see is some of those intakes, like the Infinity design, is it doesn't sound as loud as I want it to be. So engine bay bling, or you know, the sound, which is when I drive, that's what I actually hear and love. So. But yeah, links, comment below what you guys think. But yeah, I'm really happy with this setup. I think it's a nice balance between carbon, titanium. It got rid of the fake carbon fiber in the red. Put it over here. Should I add some more red into it? But I think I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. Looks good. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.